Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well with you. I know it is June and it is hot as hell, guys. Um, anyways, we have to do what we need to do, and today I'm going to be showing you how to protect your hair. Today I'm going to be making a ear spray, or you can call it a serum, whatever it is. I think I'm going to be calling it a spray today. So I'm going to be using these oils. I'm also going to be using distilled water. I'm going to be using the most, what I should say now, valuable oils, and the one that will really, really protect your hair. So I'm going to go ahead, guys, and I'm going to be showing you these oils, what I'm using. I think I'm going to be also putting up some information for you on the screen, guys, and just follow along. In this video, I am going to let me see. Yes, I was gonna see if I could add another oil to it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with whatever I have here. And the way to use this is, and I'm hoping this worked for a lot of people. This one will work for a lot of people that I make it for, guys, and I hope hopefully it's help you as well. So we're gonna go ahead and drop these oil and also these fractionated oil as well. So we're gonna be using almond oil, and I am also gonna be using fractionated coconut oil as well. I'm gonna be using the distilled water as well, and I'm gonna using the oils. I will put those up on the screen for you. I do not want to stop to count. I'm gonna try because I have so much that I want to talk to you about this oil. I'm gonna be trying to see if I can talk through this video. Also, don't forget you need a gloves, you need syringe, guys, you need a funnel, a small funnel if you need to, especially for the distilled water, and you need a 4-ounce bottle, or you can have a 3-ounce bottle too if you want. And you can also adjust this recipe here as well. If you have a bigger size bottle and you want to make a bigger bottle, just apply the oils. So this is a recipe that I'm gonna be using today. um, Also for the distilled water, if you don't have distilled water, just get some water overnight and leave it on the countertop, let it settled, and the following day you can have that to use. I mean, for me, a lot of times that I don't have um, the distilled water in hand, because sometimes I use so much distilled water, and I will just get some water. This is only if I'm making it for myself, but if you're making it for yourself, you can just do what I do. Just get the water from the top and just put it on your countertop and let it stay for the other day, and you can use it. You just need it for to settle, guys. The chlorine in it to be settled. So let's go ahead, guys, and make this spray for you. So this ear protective spray that I'm gonna be making today, what you need to do is just spray it in the hair. From You don't have to go all the way to the root, but you can if you want. And just give it a good spray, guys, and you have all your oils that will spray into the hair to protect it from the heat. And also, you also know what's going on in your hair. A lot of people, to be honest with you, they go to the store, they don't even look what the ingredients is. They just buy something that smells good, and because it smells good, you spray it on your hair, and you don't know some of these things are really, really bad for the hair. Um, Also, if you need something to smell good, you can just buy your essential oils and get some good blends, guys. If you want to know what are these blends, you just give me a quick shout out, and I will send you this beautiful blend for the hair. Um, and it is also cheaper to make your own stuff. Like, you're going out and you need something, you just grab your oils and just make it. If you don't have distilled water, I tell you already how to. You can just get your own distilled water. And I mean, there is so much things you can do without going to the store to buy all these things that have so much chemical in it. And not only that, guys, it probably sit on the shelf for how many years? You don't even know what is going on with these things on the shelf. All right, so let's go ahead and make this one. And what you need to do is just rub it from top to bottom. Don't forget the hair already have its own oil for protection. These here will also keep your hair healthy, soft, and smooth. And it can protect your hair all day long, guys. And also, don't forget, when you make these oil yourself, like I said before, you know what's going on in the hair, guys. And you have no preservative, because this recipe is called for no preservative. And it will just keep your lush, shiny. If you're the person that love to blow dry your hair, or curly hair, whatever it is, this oil will definitely protect your hair, guys. um you can also use it on kids as well. It is safe for kids. Don't forget, guys, if you're using these oils and you're a lady and you're pregnant or whatever it is, please consult your doctor, because I'm no doctor here. You don't want to be using these oils if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or whatever it is. And go ahead and use these oils when you know your body's changing. Make sure you talk to your doctor first. And also, just if you know you're very sensitive to these kind of oils, do a patch test, guys. Um, Maybe on your skin. If it's bubbled, do not use it. If it bubbles, you if it bubbled, do not use it. If it not bubble, you can go ahead and use it. um Also, I mean, it's under here too, so I don't think it will harm you that much, if you even allergic to it. So yeah, use your own caution, and when you're using any oil whatsoever. I know a lot of people are allergic to nuts, and most of these oils are coming from nuts as well. So try to see whatever you're allergic to it. As always, guys, thanks for watching these videos. Thanks for coming back. Tell a friend, guys. Throw me some kind of message. And thanks again for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next one.